Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Experian credit alerts. Now there are a couple of methods to do this. The first we're going to talk about is the online method. Now all you have to do is go to the Experian website and log into your accounts, and then just click on the credit alert tab. Now you want to choose the type of alerts that you want to receive. That could be new account opening alerts, or credit inquiries, could be late payments, or public record alerts. And then just set how often you want to receive alerts. It could be daily, it could be weekly or monthly, and just confirm your alert settings and just save the changes. Now for Experian mobile app method, what you want to do is to download the Experian mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't have that already. But if you do, just go ahead and log into your Experian accounts through the app, and then you want to navigate to the credit alert section within the app, and then just choose the type of alert that you want to receive, and it'll set how often you want to receive that alert. So now here are some types of credit alerts that you can set. You can set new account alerts, where you receive alerts when new accounts are opened in your name. You could also set credit inquiry alerts, where you're going to receive alerts when credit inquiries are made on your report. You could also set late payment alerts, where you're going to receive alerts when late payments are reported on your accounts. And then you could also set public record alerts, where you're going to receive alerts when public records such as bankruptcies or foreclosures are added to your report. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.